Alright man, how you guys doing? My name is Chris. Today I'm going to be showing you how to convert this natural wood burning chiminea to run off propane. Should be super simple. All you're going to need is a couple basic tools and a basic CK kit from EasyFirePits.com. And yeah, it should be simple. Should take us less than 15 minutes honestly. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, first step, you're going to need your drill with your step up bit. We're going to use this to drill a hole in the back of the chiminea, kind of towards the bottom, so we could get this hose, the gas hose, to run the propane through the back to the burner. Okay, going to need about a 1-inch hole, just big enough to fit the hose through. I want it kind of towards the bottom, probably about right about here. You can kind of give it a little nudge, kind of get it started. Once you get it started, you should be good to go. And if you don't have a person with you helping you, which you probably should, you can kind of hold it in between your legs like this so it doesn't rock as much. Alright, and we're through. Just like that, guys. Before you start this project, make sure your drill is charged. That's always a plus. You have a second battery, go ahead and charge that. So the hole is just a little smidget too small. So I'm gonna grab another battery for the drill and we'll continue drilling so we can get the hose through. Like that, we're through. Alright you guys, after you get the hole drilled through the back for the hose to go through, you're gonna drill another hole right here in the center. This is where we're gonna be mounting our burner, and we're pretty much gonna be using this 4-inch fully threaded nipple. This is the mounting kit that comes with the basic kit. So first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna screw this bad boy onto the burner just like this. Get it nice and hand tight. You want to do the tape side, there needs to be tape. So when you get your kit, this side of the 4-inch fully threaded nipple is already going to be taped. So go ahead and screw that side on. Next step is you can go ahead and screw on one of your fully threaded washers. This is going to be, what this does is this is what's going to hold the burner to the chiminea. Basically 2 big washers. It's going to clamp down on each other. You get that one on there. Make sure to add no tape yet. I'm going to go ahead and boom, pop that guy through like that. That's how the burner is going to sit. And then we'll go ahead and switch camera angles and give you a better look at the bottom, and then we'll get this thing hooked up. All right, you guys, so here's the bottom view of the 4-inch fully threaded nipple that we slid through. You can see the hole in the back that we drilled as well. The next step we got to do is we got to put on the other washer. So we're going to go ahead and screw that guy on there. This is going to give it that clamp down to hold it nice and securely. If I can get it on there. All right, there we go. Screw that bad boy on. Nice and hand tight. If you want, you can use some wrenches and really wrench it down. Not really necessarily, it's kind of holding in there securely already. Okay, next step, I'm gonna grab our monster tape. Give us that seal that we're looking for. Rip it about that much, I would say. Just enough to go around 2 or 3 times. I might have to tilt this guy down to get this done real quick. Make it easier for me. Sorry you guys can't get the best view. I'm doing this by myself. Kind of hard to film. Yeah, you just want to go around 2 or 3 times. Strip it off like that. You guys check that out. All right, got that guy taped up. Next step is I'm gonna grab our fitting. This is gonna come in the kit as well. Just gonna wanna hand screw this guy on at first. Like that. And then what you wanna do to get it tight is you wanna hold the burner up top. Then you use your wrench to get this guy nice and tight so you don't have any leaks. Just like that, that guy's on there. It's not going anywhere. All right. So we got the burner attached to the mounting kit. We got the fitting on. Next step is to attach our hose. So I'm gonna go ahead and feed this guy to the back. Got that guy going through there. And there's gonna be no tape on these 2 guys. Brass to brass, no tape. These are flare fittings, they're made to work with no tape. If you put tape on it, it will leak. So please, no tape on these guys. I'm gonna go ahead and get it started with our hands. Nice and hand tight. And for this, you're gonna need your 2 wrenches. So, grab this guy with my wrench, and then we're going to use the bottom wrench to tighten it. And these guys you want to tighten down as much as you can. Alright guys, can't really tighten that anymore. Should be good to go. Gonna reset the camera up, and we just got a couple more steps and we should have this thing lit. Next step is we need to get this hose attached to the regulator. So pretty much gonna do the same thing as we did with the fitting. Screw it on right here. Once again, this is brass and brass, so no tape here at all. It's a flare fitting. You just want to crank it down as much as you can. Same way we did last time. Grab my 2 wrenches. Try this one more time. It's hard to give you guys a good angle, get a good grip on it at the same time. So yeah, just like that, guys. Give it one more go. Yeah, guys, good to go. Thing's not going anywhere. All right, on to the next step. All right, you guys, final step, important one to know is when you're attaching the regulator to the propane tank, it's opposite. So it's lefty tighty. So you're gonna use, boom, go on the inner threads. And use the hand wheel, hand tighten it in there. And just remember, lefty tighty, it's backwards. Alright, boom, just like that. Before you light it, before you turn on the gas from the propane tank, you want to make sure this nozzle right here is closed. This one right here on the regulator, make sure that is closed. That's nice and tight. Boom, got it nice and hand tight. We're gonna move this away from the chiminea. You don't want this sitting close to it, just in case you have a leak, something crazy happening. All right, you guys, last step, let's get this thing lit. All you're gonna need is like a grill lighter or a propane lighter, something like this. We cut the gas on just a little bit. Just enough to get her going, and then we can crank her up. Well, I got the gas on. Got my quick lighter. Boom. Simple as that, guys. Got her going. Go ahead and crank it up a little bit. Yeah, guys, that's how you convert a wood burning chiminea to run off of propane. Like I said, super easy, very simple, anybody can do it. Hope you guys have a good one.